Building Doctor CrackStop XP is an acrylic-based crack filler product used to repair cracks ranging up to 8 mm. The special features of Building Doctor CrackStop XP are: it has elastic capabilities due to thermal conductivity. It is UV resistant, works as a waterproofing agent. It has high bonding strength. It is long lasting. It can be used in all types of cement and plastering work. Before using Building Doctor CrackStop XP, ensure you are ready with all the tools shown in the visual. Before using this product, it is mandatory to wear appropriate protective gear. Now, let us see how to use this product. The cracks outside the surface of the walls should be widened by using a machine. Then it should be cleaned with a brush or air blower to take out any leftover cement particles or dust. It is mandatory that the clean surface should be wet before use. Since Building Doctor CrackStop XP is available in a ready-made paste form, it can be applied directly. Fill the cracks using a putty plate. Apply the second layer only after the first coat has completely dried. Once Building Doctor CrackStop XP is fully dry, the surface can be painted. The pot life of Building Doctor CrackStop XP may vary according to temperature and other site conditions. Before using this product, carefully follow the instructions shown in the visual.